CPU, memory, input-output, network. For CPU issues, execute the W command and look at the load average column, which shows the load average for 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes. If the load utilization is greater than the number of CPUs, then it's a CPU issue. For debugging memory issues, run the vmstack12 command, where the first argument is the delay and the second is the count. If you see the SI swap in and SO swap out columns populated, it means the system is experiencing memory pressure. For network issues, run the ipslink command. If you see errors and drop packets in the output, it may be related to network problems. For debugging input-output I/O issues, run the top command. If you see a high value in the W awaiting column, it may be related to I/O issues. This is the first part of the series where I show you basic ways to isolate performance issues. Please stay tuned for future videos to debug these types of issues in further depth. Thank you everyone for watching the video. If you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more content like this, check out my book, Cracking the DevOps Interview. You can find the link in the description below.